We'll guide you through how to upload an image in Google AI Studio. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your preferred web browser and go to aistudio.google.com. Press Enter to access Google AI Studio and wait for the homepage to load completely. Once the platform is ready, review the navigation menu located on the left side of the screen. Next, locate the Build section in the sidebar. Then select the New App option. Wait for the Gemini workspace to load completely before proceeding. Once the workspace is available, review the main workspace and the AI tools displayed on the screen. This area is where you will interact with Gemini and provide prompts, files, and instructions. Next, locate the prompt input area in the center of the screen. This section allows you to communicate with Gemini and attach files for analysis. Now locate the attachment or add file icon near the prompt box. This icon is used for uploading images, documents, and other supported files into the workspace. Click the upload icon to open the file selection options. A small menu may appear with several choices. From the available options, choose Upload Files. Wait for your device's File Explorer to appear on the screen. Once the File Explorer opens, browse through your folders and directories until you locate the image you want to upload. Select the image from your device. Once the image is highlighted, click the Open button to confirm your selection and begin the upload process. Wait while Google AI Studio uploads the image into the workspace. After the upload is finished, review the image preview that appears inside the workspace. The preview confirms that the image has been uploaded successfully and is ready for use. You can now use the uploaded image for analysis, image descriptions, comparisons, editing instructions, or other AI-powered tasks available within Gemini.